I don't know how many times I've checked and rechecked just to make sure everything here was safe for you. I was always trying to stay one step ahead of anything that could hurt you. Every screw I tightened, every guard I installed, every danger I tried to predict, that was just my way of slowing down a world that's changing as you grow. Every year brought new risks, new things I couldn't always see coming. I was always watching out for the next thing that could hurt you. But I missed one. The tablet that was mine that I let you use, even if I had some safeguards on. Thankfully, someone is looking out for you. As you learn to find your own way, and the world opens up to you. I can breathe easier knowing that when you're online, you're protected even when I'm not watching. Especially when I'm not watching.